Have you ever wondered what makes Genmaicha Green Tea so beneficial? This unique blend of green tea and roasted brown rice has a nutty flavor and aroma that's capturing the attention of health-conscious individuals. Stress is something we all deal with, impacting our mental and physical health. Our gut health, surprisingly, plays a significant role in our mental wellness, and unhealthy gut can affect our brain too. Antioxidants, like those in Genmaicha, help combat cell damage from free radicals, which can contribute to diseases. In a world where inflammation is on the rise, and diseases like diabetes and heart disease are prevalent, Genmaicha is a simple addition to support overall health. Genmaicha Green Tea is rich in antioxidants, fiber, and essential nutrients. Here are 7 key benefits that make it a great choice. Reduces stress. The L-theanine in Genmaicha helps promote calmness, making it perfect for those dealing with anxiety. Aids weight management. It can increase metabolism and aid in fat burning, improves digestion. By regulating gut bacteria, Genmaicha can help ease digestion and reduce its symptoms. Boosts immunity. It strengthens the immune system, reducing the risk of illness. Lowers cholesterol. Genmaicha helps lower cholesterol, promoting heart health. Anti-inflammatory properties. Its anti-inflammatory effects can reduce chronic disease risks. High in antioxidants. These antioxidants combat free radicals, supporting cellular health. One surprising benefit is its potential to lower the risk of Alzheimer's. The antioxidants and catechins in Genmaicha are thought to slow cognitive decline, which is especially beneficial for those with a family history of Alzheimer's. It also has anti-aging properties, reducing fine lines and wrinkles, and may help reduce the risk of colon and breast cancers. Incorporating Genmaicha into your daily routine is easy, and the health benefits are extensive, from relaxation to better digestion, heart health, and cognitive support. This tea truly is a game changer for your well-being. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments if you've tried Genmaicha Green Tea and what benefits you've experienced. Don't forget to subscribe for more health content. See you in the next video.